In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a VAT return in QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you're new to QuickBooks or you've been managing your finances for years, the VAT return process is an essential task, especially for businesses operating in regions where value-added tax is applicable. So, grab your computer and let's get started. First up, you're going to want to navigate to the QuickBooks Online login page. Once you're there, locate the sign in button and give it a click. This step will bring you to a page where you'll need to choose which QuickBooks platform you're using. In this case, we're going to select QuickBooks Online. If you're used to working with their other versions, don't worry, this process is specific to QuickBooks Online and designed to be straightforward. Next, you'll need to enter your credentials. By this, we mean your email address and password associated with your QuickBooks account. Remember, keeping your login information secure is important. After entering your details, go ahead and hit the Continue button. QuickBooks will then take a moment to verify and sign you in. Once you are successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top of the interface where you'll find a navigation bar. Look for and click on the Taxes tab. This is your gateway to managing anything tax related within QuickBooks. Clicking it will reveal an option for sales tax, which is precisely what we need for completing your VAT return. Go ahead and click on Sales Tax. Here's where it gets a bit more detailed. You need to access the section for managing your tax agencies and rates. Find the link labeled Add, Edit Tax Rates and Agencies and click on it. This will open up a new area where you can adjust or add new tax settings. To add a new tax rate, you'll need to click on the button labeled New. This is typically found in areas where you manage tax rates and settings in QuickBooks. Once you've clicked on that, prepare to input all necessary information about the new tax you're setting up. Start by adding the tax name. This should be something identifiable, so you'll know what it pertains to when you see it in the future. After that, proceed to add the agency name. This is usually the governmental body or tax agency associated with this tax rate. Next is the tax rate itself. You'll need to enter the correct percentage for the VAT rate required. It's crucial to ensure this information is accurate to avoid any discrepancies when filing your return. Finally, after you've entered all the necessary details, click on the Save button to store your new tax settings. This saves your work and ensures that your new VAT rate is ready to use in QuickBooks. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the QuickBooks Online platform to set up a VAT return process, which will save you time and hassle when it comes to keeping your business's finances in check. Remember, regular reviews of your financial setup in QuickBooks can help in keeping your business operations smooth and efficient. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.